Okay, so good evening, everyone. So we are the group two, and we are tasked to uh, do the simulator entitled the Monitoring of Electric Generating Plant. So in accordance with this, in submission for our subject, Engine Watch Shipping 322. So the duration of the exercise will be 20 minutes, briefing 5 minutes and familiarization and planning, 10 minutes actual assessment, and then debriefing 5 minutes. So total of 20 minutes. The condition of the vessel is that uh, the ship is in anchor, then diesel generator number 1 is running and connected to main bus bar. So DG number 2 has low lubrication oil sump tank level alarm and low start air supply pressure. Then last, no flow in other parameters of diesel generator number 2. So the assessor's actions is check if the instructor's station is connected to all student station and those systems are up and running. Check if right scenario is loaded and the initial conditions are met before commencing the assessment. Post the scenario and conduct briefing. So give the students enough time to prepare prior to starting the exercise. Commence simulation exercise by pushing F1 to run simulation. Then last is monitor the student through the instructor console. So without further ado, let's start the simulator. Okay, start. Please start. Okay, first thing we do is in the diesel generator number 1. So you can see that the lube oil level tank is in low level. We have to fill it up within 70 to 80%. So open the lubrication oil valve to supply, then wait for seconds to fill it up 70 to 80%. Just make sure to off the drain valve of the lubrication oil pump to prevent any alarms. So after filling up the normal level of the lubrication oil pump of the DG number 1, let's proceed to DG number 2. First, we will go to DG number 2, then let's fill up the 4 system, the lubrication oil system, the start air system, the seawater system, and the fuel oil system. So first thing we do is to line up the lubrication oil system and fill sump tank. So same sa DG1, we have to fill up the lubrication oil pump 70 to 80%. So open the valve. And then while waiting, let's go to the start air system. Make sure na-off ninyo ang drain valve for kanang dili siya mo para dili siya mo alarm. Then let's go to the start air system. So before opening the valve in the start air system, make sure to drain the tank on the start air system to remove the contaminants. So after draining on the supply air valve of the air system going to the GD number 2, so after na on, let's go to the seawater system. Then pag na-reach na ang 70 to 80% of lubrication oil pump nga level, i-off na to para dili na siya mo over. Then let's go to the seawater system. So on the valve on seawater system coming or supplying the GG2 for the cooling system para ma-avoid ang overheating sa ato ang generator. Then after supplying, so i-recognize na to ang mga alarms kay normal lang na siya. So after supplying, let's go to the fuel oil system, but make sure nga dapat mo-objud ang valve. Again, i-off ang valve sa DG number 1 kay nag low level na sad, kay mokalitra na siya on. Then ibalik lang sa ang valve open para masaka ang level sa lubrication oil system na to sa tank sa DG number 1. So while waiting, make sure to monitor the parameters para ma-sure jud nato nga walay alarms nga mahitabo. So ang DG number 1 is already in running condition. So we have to kanang monitor lang sa mga level of lubrication oil pump and then the pressure of the fuel oil system. So after heating 70 to 80%, balik na ta sa diesel generator number 2. Then nakita ninyo if you go to the priming pump, if you on the priming pump, di siya mugana no. So ato go to the switchboard, then press the DG2 LO priming pump in. Okay, naka-off na siya. Okay, after that, go back to the emergency switchboard. And then before turning on the LO priming pump, on also the preheater, then auto. So, and also before turning on the LO priming pump, line up also the fuel oil system. So on the valve, on the fuel oil system, then on the filter 1. And then, that's the time na mo na tao gatong LO priming pump for running. So after already lining up the 4 systems and also other system na mo support sa atong GD number 2, if all is ready, so we are good to go for the test run of the generator of DG number 2. So start. Naka-local naman siya, so pwede na siya i-direct sa start. Okay. And then mag-wait rata. So that's the least we can do. So mag-wait rata because there is an alarm coming from the filters or the fuel filters in a fuel oil system. So we need to rectify it. So after the starting, pag na-start na, remote the DG number 2. So nakita ninyo na nag-alarm ato ang fuel filter 1. So acknowledge the alarm. Ibig sabihin then after acknowledging the alarm, on the bypass valve or the kanang pressure fuel filter number 2 para ma-interchange. Then up the fuel filter number 1, go to letter M and find the letter H, which is the diesel generator number 2, fuel oil filter number 1 is dirty. So mo na siya nag-alarm. So i-reset lang na nato. Then reset active malfunction na siya. On balik ang filter 1. Then off ang filter number 2. So after na-off ang filter number 2, i-reset na lang nato para just to make sure na na-rectify jud nato ang duwa ka filter. So okay na. Then after that, go to the switch on the voltage controller. So just go to the electric panel dito sa electricity. Then switch on the voltage control of DG number 2. So okay. So after nauna na tong voltage controller sa electric power plant, go to the MD102, which is the pump or compressor control, which is the power chip pump or compressor control. Then Switch on remote operations of generators and set priority settings. So, i-prior na to ang DG1 to priority 1 and then DG2 to priority 2. And make sure to click the auto. So, dapat ma-auto jud ang duwa. And mag-wait na lang ta nga mag 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, that's the end of assessment. Then 100 naman. Just to make sure na you all rectify the filters. Dapat ma-reset ang tanang na-reset. Then walay high temperature on the bearings. And also walay trips and alarm sa DG1 and DG2 after 10 minutes. So that's the end of the assessment. Thank you and God bless.